What's up 1KB gang. Today we're back here on our block project. Yesterday we finished to install all of our block. As you see here, we finished the block installation process and we're going to do a bit of parging, and afterwards we're going to jump on to waterproofing. So yeah, that's what's coming up in today's video. With no further ado, let's dive right into it. I don't have my angle to hold the mortar for the parging, but we're going to try and see if we can make it work. We're going to do some parging now. Call for 1/4 inch coverage of parging right around. That's what's coming up right now. Come to the scoop. Guys, there's lots of stone in this mortar here, so I'm gonna come back later on and do another finishing parging onto the top layer after I backfill. But for now I'm just doing it so that way we can waterproof it. To be creative, guys, so we just decided to knock up something over and to. So for here, it don't have to be pretty. It's all gonna be covered. Above where that's gonna be covered, I'm gonna come back and re-parge it after it. Maybe do some stucco or something over it. What's more stone now this? Oh God. It looks like it'll take more, it'll want more than 2 bags to finish it. Because you can't spread it. So now you can't spread. So much. So by code, guys, it's recommended for you to to parge your foundation wall after installation of your block.
I'll come up and finish up this. Huh? Yeah.
Alright, well there you have it guys. Hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. Thank you for watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Stick around. Be sure to hit the post notification bell because our next video coming up is going to teach you guys how to waterproof your foundation wall. That's what's coming up next. So be sure to subscribe, hit the post notification bell so when we upload that video you get notified and you can come back and watch that one. Thank you. Be safe out there.